Hey guys, thanks for joining me again on another episode of Taste and See with Dee, where cooking is made easy. So today I'm going to make a southern dish called Hoppin John. Hoppin John is black-eyed peas and rice, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I've soaked my peas in water till they've risen to the top. That way they'll be a little bit easier to cook once you soak them and faster. Then I'll make my rice. I don't like gummy sticky rice, so I generally rinse off my rice a couple times before I make it, and then after. That way it won't be as gummy and sticky. I kind of like loose rice grains. So in terms of seasoning your peas, I made it easy for you guys to not have to go to the store. You can typically use any seasoning that you have in your pantry. Hoppin John is made generally of pork fat. You know, they season it with the pork fat like bacon or something, but I didn't have that and I didn't want to run to the store and get it, so I used chicken bouillon cubes, I used bay leaves, I use red pepper flakes, I use just a little bit of salt and pepper, garlic salt, and that is going to add all the flavoring that you need in order to make this a really good dish. So after I added all my seasoning, what I did is I brought the peas to a boil. I let them cook down until half of the liquid was boiled out. I cut it down for about, to about under medium heat until they were nice and tender. I let them simmer until they were nice and tender and ready to go on top of my rice. So as you can see, these peas are nice and tender. And if you are a peas fan, you will absolutely love Hoppin John. All right, so these peas are ready to go on top of the rice, and there you have it, Hoppin John. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.